Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2006 Pontiac Vibe in black with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. This has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a front-wheel drive, and it is a manual transmission. It also has a trailer hitch at the back and a windshield wiper on the glass of the hatch. Really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as manual windows and locks. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your gas cap release is located here, and you have all-weather mats on the floor. There's also a little bin off to the side to put things. There's your mirror controls, and your steering wheel can tilt. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages. You've got your odometer reading as well as the temperature outside. And in the center, you have hazard lights as well as your front defrost. There's your CD player, and you also have AM, FM. There's your AC and max AC. And then you have your volume and tuner located below. As well, you have the climate control here with your fan and your temperature off to the side. You've got a 12 volt, 115, and 100 watt manual transmission. And lots of bins. There's a bin in here that you can put things, and then you have a couple of cup holders as well. Emergency parking brake. Your armrest opens up and you have more storage in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and you have a manually dimming rear view mirror. On the passenger side, there's a grab handle to make it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body color door handle, and side view mirror. Driver's side fuel cap. The back hatch has a windshield wiper. You also have a trailer hitch. And when you want to open up the hatch, simply put your hand underneath the Pontiac logo and it'll open right up. Inside, you've got a nice roomy cargo area with a carpet. You can take this out and then you have a hard cover there. That's easy for cleanups. There's also tabs to be able to tether things. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand in the handle here on the right, pull down, and your hatch is now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door and manual windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily pull the button at the back of the seat here, and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. And then easily slip it back up into the upright position. On the floor, you have all-weather mats, and in the center, a couple of cup holders. Up above, you have lighting and handles. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, manual side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.